Good morning kids, how are you all? I hope you all are good. Myself Pragya from Shivjyoti Educational Group, Kota. So kids, today we will understand the concept of he, she and it. So first I'll tell you about the uses of he, that where we have to use it. So first of all, take out your Hollyhook book and open page number 2323 and mention the date and classwork at the top. So kids, when we are talking about a boy, a man or a male person or male gender, so for them we will use he. I repeat myself, when we talking about a boy, a man or a male person or male gender, so for them we will use he. For example, read the first sentence, T-H-I-S, this, I-S, is, R-A-V-I, Ravi. This is Ravi. Ravi is the name of a man, and for man we will use he. H-E, he, I-S, is, a, M-A-N, man. He is a man. This is Ravi and he is a man. So when we talking about a man, so we will use he for them. Okay. Now one more example. T-H-I-S, this, I-S, is, A-M-A-N, Aman. This is Aman. Now see in this picture, Aman is a name of a boy, and for boy we will use he. H-E, he, I-S, is, a, B-O-Y, boy. He is a boy. This is Aman and he is a boy. Now let's see one more example. T-H-I-S, this, I-S, is, M-R, dot. This is Mr. P-A-L, Pal. This is Mr. Pal. And here the name of Mr. Pal is a man. Mr. Pal is a name of a man or male person. So for them we will use he. Alright. H-E, he, I-S, is, a, D-O-C-T-O-R, doctor, and by profession he is a doctor. This is Mr. Pal and he is a doctor. So when we talking about a man, a boy or a male person or male gender, so for them we will use he. Now I am going to tell you about she, that where we have to use she. Alright. So when we are talking about a girl, a woman or a female gender, where we will use she. Alright. So read the example. T-H-I-S, this, I-S, is, S-I-T-A, Sita. This is Sita. And now here Sita is a name of a woman. Sita is a name of a woman, and for woman we will use she. S-H-E, she, I-S, is, a, W-O-M-A-N, woman. This is Sita and she is a woman. Alright, now let's see one more example. T-H-I-S, this, I-S, is, T-I-N-A, Tina. This is Tina, and Tina is a girl's name. So when a name of a person it's Tina, that means it is a girl name. So for the girl name we will use she. S-H-E, she, I-S, is, a, G-I-R-L, girl. She is a girl. This is Tina and she is a girl. Let's see one more example. THIS, this. IS is MRS dot Mrs. RINA, Rina. This is Mrs. Rina. So, Mrs. Rina is a name of a woman or female gender. So, for them we will use she. SHE, she. IS is a TEACHER, teacher. She is a teacher. That means by profession she is a teacher. Alright. Now we will move to the next uses of it. So, turn the page, come on the page number 15 and mention the date and classwork at the top. So, kids, when we are talking about any object or thing or about the any animal, so for them we will use it. I repeat myself, when we are talking about any object or thing or an animal, we will use for them it. So, kids, when we are talking about any object or anything or any place or an object, so for them we will use it. Okay, so read one sentence. It. IS is a HUT, hut. It is a hut and now it is a place. So, for the place we will use it. It is a hut. It. IS is an EGG, egg. It is an egg. Now again it is a thing. So, for the thing we will use it. It is an egg. It. IS is a NIB, nib. It is a nib. It. IS is a BALL, ball. It is a ball. So, again it is a thing. We play with ball. So, for that we will use it. It is a ball. Move to the next one. It. IS is a DOLL, doll. It is a doll. Again it is a thing. So, for the thing we will use it. It. IS is a MAT, mat. It is a mat. Move to the next one. It. IS is a CAT, cat, and it is a cat. Now kids, here it is an animal and for the animal we will use it. It is a cat. It. IS is a FISH, fish. It is a fish. Again it is an animal and for the animal we will use it. It is a fish. It. IS is ANUMBRELLA, umbrella. It is an umbrella. It. IS is a MANGO, mango. It is a mango. It. IS is a BELL, bell. It is a bell. It. IS is a BAT, bat. It is a bat. Again it is a thing and for the thing we will use it. It is a bat. So kids, I hope you understood the uses of he, she and it. So read all the pages, page number 15 and page number 23 from your Hollyhook book. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.